What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, and let's do the technical analysis and the price action, the structure, how things are looking like. And most importantly, as you already know, if you have seen my videos on SMCI, you know that I have a short play open on it from last couple of days, and I'll provide an update how I'm feeling about it, what I'm seeing in the price action, what are my plans, am I changing my plans on this, or am I still in this plan continuing to hold. So with that guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice. This is purely for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. So let's start it off. And just right before that guys, another thing, I started this new channel of mine that will be focused on dividend investing. I'll be sharing my portfolios. I have done an intro video on this already, so check this out if you're interested, and subscribe if you want to follow along on this as well. So all right, let's come back here and let's start talking about as what I'm seeing in the price action. So SMCI is trending lower, right? We have lower highs, still lower lows, right? And lately, after that post earnings, once we started to see this pivot, I told you that expect some rebound. We got that rebound, but then we started to reject underneath of this level of 855 to 840. And when I started to see this rejection coming in at 20 days moving average together with the, which is more clear if I take it to the 4 hours interval, and together with this supply zone of the post earnings sell-off, and we started to see this sell-off again, it gave me confidence that as it was coming back into the rebound and we started to slow down, and as it was forming lower highs as well constantly, I wanted to go in short. And this is so. Let's go to the hourly interval. And this is where I went in short here already, guys, at the level of 808 almost. And my stop loss is around 855 and above, right? But so far, yeah, things have been looking great. We have been getting some bounces, but it's nothing for me to worry about. Again, I have my stop loss area, and there's some potential drawdown I would go through when I'm in the stop loss area. But as long as structure is not changing, I'm fine going through that drawdown, and if stop loss hit, it hits, but it didn't because the structure wasn't looking to the upside. And on hourly interval, we have also lost now finally 200 hours moving average. So I'm feeling better and better in this position, and definitely I'm in the money. Not that as if I'm like, yeah, I'm in the super money already, but I will be taking partial profits out as through this journey at this partial take profits level, even marked by my intraday level. So I will be taking partial profits out. I still think that SMCI has room to fall, continue to fall in the direction of at least $692 range. And then if we lose that, then 200 days moving average. But as if the structure would change, I will size in, size out, right? And you already know my way of trading. Now, the thing is that can SMCI, where's that structure change that would start happening where I would be worried at this point that I would want to get out of my short position fully? So that structure change would happen, guys, if SMCI can form this as a pivot and it eventually gets above 20 days moving average, and or also like above 833. That will be, for me, if I see a green candle like this, then I would be like, guys, okay, this is turning into a pivot and with a higher low again, and then with break above 833 and this thing getting above, then the structure is shifting, and then it will be more likely that it has more room to go up. Yes, that will be the structural shift and change if SMCI tomorrow or somewhere gets above $833. But until that is not happening, I'm comfortable playing this short play, and I'm going to continue to hold. All right. So that's SMCI for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And I did a video on NVIDIA this morning already. Check that out on my channel. It's right over here. That is it still holding bullish structure? Well, check the video out. You will get to learn a lot there. But just real quick, if I show you here. So NVIDIA has been above 50 days moving average. And not just that, it's holding that pretty much the level of 883 and 887. That is the still a pivot to the upside, and it has been still holding that. Analysts are coming out with upgrades as I expected, and I said in my previous videos, expect this week and the next week analysts will come out with a lot of their upgrades, okay? So they are doing that as well. But it doesn't matter price. Look, technicals are still what I like to follow regardless of what analyst says, okay? Yeah, so if you want to know more about it, check this video out on my channel, all right? And yep, so what else, guys, here? Well, nothing else. That's pretty much it, guys. And again, if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Definitely don't forget to check out this channel of mine. As I said, videos will be coming out on regular basis on this channel as well, as I'm making moves, and I'll keep providing updates. Alrighty, well, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.